Hello, my name is Rafi Romano. Today I want to present to you one of the most successful books in lingual orthodontics that I had the privilege to edit, Lingual and Aesthetic Orthodontics by Quintessence Publishing. This book is part of 4 books that I had the privilege to edit, and who knows how many I will do more. This book combines 44 chapters from the most well-known authors and clinicians around the world who do lingual orthodontics for many years. Each one of them contributed their idea, their experience, their philosophy on lingual orthodontics from their own countries and with their own bracket techniques. It's a non-commercial book that presents actually most of the techniques available today. The first chapter is dealing with the lingual appliance, bracket, wires and accessories, presenting all the different bracket techniques available on that time that I published the book a few years ago. Of course, every year there are new techniques, but in general the main idea has remained, and you can see all the different types of brackets, self-ligating, not self-ligating, 2-dimension, 3-dimension and CAD/CAM, all of them presented in this chapter. The second chapter is dealing with the laboratory and simulation techniques in order to mimic the exact place we want to put the brackets according to our treatment plan. Of course, it combines simple laboratory techniques, complicated laboratory techniques and CAD/CAM and robots techniques in order to place the bracket in the correct place. The third chapter is dealing with mechanics. Lingual orthodontics is very unique in mechanics, in biomechanics, because of the interbracket distance, which is very small, because of the center of resistance that is behind the teeth versus buccal orthodontics. So this chapter deals with all the aspects of biomechanics of lingual versus buccal. So this is a very useful tool for every clinician that want to do lingual orthodontics. The fourth chapter is dealing with tips and tricks and finishing tools in order to finish our lingual cases properly. We all know that a case is judged not by the way but by the end result. So this chapter is really giving by the top clinician in the world tips on how to do a proper finishing with lingual, which will be comparable to the one done in buccal orthodontics. And the fifth chapter is dealing with clear and aesthetic appliance. Today lingual orthodontics is part of aesthetic appliances, invisible appliances, and part of it is clear aligners, which has a huge market around the world and sometimes is combined with lingual and clear aligner. So this book is surveying all the clear aligner by the top clinicians who use clear aligner often in their offices. I had the privilege to edit the first lingual book ever in lingual orthodontics, which was in 1998, published by Decker Publishing, and this book is actually the updated, very comprehensive book on lingual. You can find a lot of tips on lingual orthodontics and a lot of material from this book in my YouTube channel, where you can find demonstration, hands-on, etc., as you can see on the screen. And you can of course attend many courses around the world on lingual orthodontics, which me and my colleagues from the book are giving all the year long around the world. The book can be can be purchased on Quintessence website and on Amazon, and of course you're most welcome to contact me to get more details. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.